Okay, today we're going to be making a cupcake. This is pretty heavy. It's a paperweight. You can make them smaller. So what you're going to need is, you need like some little cupcake holders. Take the paper out, a measuring cup, so you can put your cupcake inside, and it keeps the sides up. I'm using a air dry clay. I'll show you the package in just a second. It's wood formal, and you can get it in my online store. So click on the link on the right side of the screen. Okay, that's the air dry clay. It's made of wood. And let's see what else. You'll need some little glass beads and some minis, your silicone, and your tip. Icing tip. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take some of our clay, take a big chunk out and make a ball. We're going to put it inside our little cupcake cup. And this shrinks just a little bit, so use a little more so you can make that nice round top. Okay, so let's see. That might be good enough. Well, maybe a little more. Oh, okay. And you can make smaller cupcakes, and so you'll have a lot of clay. And there's a bunch of clay in here, so. These also make really cute placemats. You can stick like a little wire coming up and attach like a little name tag, or you know, it can hold photos. So there's a lot of stuff you can do. Okay. So that fits. So you're going to put some glue at the bottom. You can use like a craft glue. This is Weld Bond, and just squirt it in the bottom. And then put your cupcake back inside. Okay, so you're going to keep that in there. Don't worry about it being perfect. You're going to cover it anyways. And then when it dries, you get your cupcake. And these sides are going to be empty, so you're going to fill that also with glue. Okay, so time for the silicone. So take the silicone here, and we'll start at the bottom, and we'll just go around. There we go. And if you missed a couple spots, you can always go back and just refill. So, and I want the icing to be higher. Okay, so now you got all that icing on top, and we're ready to put our minis on our little cupcake. So I got one of these little hearts done. I made a mold, or made this out of my mold. So I'm going to stick that on top. Just stick all your minis on there. And let's see, I got some of these sprinkles. and you just sprinkle that on top. And that, my friends, is it. So you'll come out with that. You can also add more, of course, but you'll get something like that. This is using a smaller icing tip and the other one's using a larger one. Okay, enjoy.